Start by removing headrest from the seat and set aside for a later time, backrest. Select the cover you want to install. Make sure you align each one to the correct seat. Place seat cover over the top by holding it from both sides and slowly sliding the cover down. Make sure you aligned both sides with the seat side, making sure they match. Make sure you push down cross-like cuttings on top of the seat cover. Push back, Velcro flaps through the bottom part of the backrest and the bottom cushion. To better help yourself with the installation, use the tool provided to you as shown. Bottom cushion. Grab the bottom portion of the car seat, making sure you align the seat cover to match contours and cutouts of the bottom cushion, making sure for a snug fit. Making sure you undo the buckles from each other as shown. Flip and place. You cover over the cushion starting from front to back, ensuring a snug fit. Use installation tool to help with installation as shown. Use the slanted side of the tool to help push and tuck the flaps to the back of the seat as shown. Follow the same step as before by using the installation tool to push the side flap of the bottom cushion in between the bottom cushion and the plastic panel on seat as shown. For the bottom cushion portion, you will need to use the installation tool provided for you, Orc side, to help you push through the remaining straps to the back of the seat and buckle together as shown, making sure you don't interfere with the wiring from underneath. Last step to your car seat, cover installation. Go ahead, grab your headrest cover as shown, making sure you undo the Velcro portion of the headrest cover and place over your headrest, making sure you aligned everything just the way you want it. Place back on top of your seat. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your front seat cover. Now do the same thing to the other side. Back seat bottom cushion. There will either be a pressure clip on each end, where you will need to firmly push up, or have a clip with a locking mechanism that you will need to slightly pull or rotate. Slightly lift bottom cushion, making sure you don't interfere with any of the wires from underneath. Grab your seat cover and align it with the cutouts and contours of the cushion. Go ahead and flip your seat cover around and undo all buckles from the seat cover. Lift the bottom cushion and start pushing all straps to the back. Attaching all front buckles to the back straps. Start from one side to the other. Don't forget the side strap. Place everything back into place, making sure everything is on just the way you like it. Lastly, at your bottom cushion back into place by snapping the pressure clip back into place. 60% backrest seat cover. Grab your seat cover and place over the seat, making sure it matches the cutouts and contours of the seat. Unzip the seat cover and place over the seat. Bring your backrest forward and set your cover on, as shown. Start from the left place onto the backrest cover. Making sure you grab your integrated seat belt, and you're going to pass the rest of the seat cover under the seat belt and not over. Go ahead and tuck in the backrest bottom flaps, as shown. Don't forget to zip up the backrest back up. Let's not forget to pull through the flaps through the back seat and zip and Velcro together. For the rough portion of the Velcro, you will need to stick it to the carpeting of your car as shown. Lastly, place everything back into place. If your vehicle has an armrest cup holder, there will be a cutout made to cover the back section. The side panels will need to be aligned properly for a snug fit. Go ahead and put the cup holder cover on, and don't forget to push back Velcro flaps to the back and attach together. Backrest side panel. Grab the panel you want to install and align it with your car's side panel, making sure they match. Make sure you bring your backrest all the way down, as you will need the space. Place your panel over and start attaching the rough portion of the Velcro to the carpeting of your car as shown. You can also use the installation tool to help yourself with this step. Now follow the same steps for the remaining of your car's seat installation. And there you have it. Have successfully installed you custom CalTrend seat covers, and they are ready to be enjoyed.